I'm going to one of your star customers now, and this was not set up, honestly. But Joe is, possibly nobody knows iBody Shop better inside out and back to front than he does. So, but generally speaking, we're not just going to talk about iBody Shop. What do you think? So you've got a massive shop, a mechanical shop, and you're a large volume shop. You do around, is it 80 or more?
Yeah, 60 to 70.
60 to 70, yeah. So what's your idea of success?
I guess it changes over the past 15 years because I've been on the floor panel. I did my trade in 2002, but gone through the whole ranks. And I guess about 5 years ago when we really had a good look at things, success for me was continuing the legacy that my parents had started. So that was probably the biggest thing that got me up and the reason I was pushing so hard was to make sure I didn't stuff it up. So that was really important to me. And I guess from that, the drive came, good work ethic from the old boy, who's not a computer guy, so he don't know if he could have ran iBody, but he gave us that work ethic, and I guess that drive wanting to be good. I think the consulting, you cannot put a price on it. Like Ben and Stephen, the guys were talking about before, you can't put a price on it because I've had 3 years now with my current coach. We've sort of eased up a little bit over the last few months, and we're now coaching my brother. But yeah, that 3 years really got us to a point working on the culture. So right now, what success is for me is the 30 staff and their extended families that are involved in the business is them coming to work happy. So if we can get the culture right, get them coming to work happy, because everyone would have the same issue here. Staff are not easy to find, especially good ones. So we're really ingrained in building our culture. So the success for us right now is our staff come to work happy, and it feels as though the productivity will look after itself. Getting that culture right has enabled us to move really fast. With the likes of DNS Tech and the program they've brought out has really helped us build our business around iBody. We've created a lot of things, contracts for all of our techs and admin crew with KPIs all written into iBody, claimable hours. It's really pretty next level, and we're moving really fast now. We've diversified. We sat down with the consultant, Terry, probably 18 months ago, and he's helped us. What he does is he's plucked me out of the business about 2.5 years ago, where we were so ingrained in operations, I couldn't see what was going on. So that's what, in a nutshell, what he's done. He's gone like this and put me up into a little helicopter view. So we're looking, we've got accountabilities across everyone else, and now we're working on the business and moving really quick. So diversification has been one. We're just rebranding from Woodriff Smash, so it's a bit of an official change of the guard. Like, again, the old boy hadn't been in management, but Woodriff Smash Repairs isn't doing us justice for what we are now. So we've rebranded to Woodriff Preferred Auto, and the 4 pillars, instead of just being known for smash repairs, are collision, mechanical, detailing, and aftercare. So we've really strengthened our brand, and we don't want to be known just for smash repairs because we can do these other things really well. And Sonia was talking about it before. Those upsells they're there to be had. They really are. Sometimes it's difficult because we get so busy. But that's one thing we've really branched out on, and we're building very solidly. Like we had 18 staff about 4 years ago, and we just ticked over to 31 on Monday. Had 3 new crew come on, so it's moving very fast. So that's where we're at the moment. But yeah, lots going on.
And are you doing more surfing? Because I know that was one of your goals.
I haven't been out in the surf for about 6 months. I've been going for some cold swims, but it has been busy. But I've been doing a bit of breathing and meditation on the beach in the morning to just get grounded. And yeah, so
Queenslanders.
It's coastal life.
Thank you very much for that.